Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Thank you for loving us. I love you.
Thank you, Lord, for the gift you gave. A gentle hand, so strong and brave. Through sleepless nights and working days, you showed me love in quiet ways. Not seeking praise, you stood so tall. You gave your
Happy Father's Day, Papa Francis. Thank you para sa hindi kabuhi sa among pamilya. Hindi ihatagan mo sa ako ang gamit sa eskwelahan. Thank you para sa mga I love you.
though your back was sore. With every small kindness and all you'd been through. Thank you, dear God, for a father like you.
Okay. Okay ni ata karon sa Barubo, Surigao News. Ata karon sa police station. Niami sa police station kay dakpan mi sugokeng. Morning mga gari.
Ato!
Ito yung food, ito. Yung ba?
Human run
Oh,
ka. Na kita mana? Oh. Kana sila mo nang mga dakpan. Among gitubos karon. Morning padong na Kabgan. Nagbaktas may padong dito. Ano ba yan dito? Bulabog. Okay guys, ugma. Kita ra ta.
Ay, isa. Dapat 1:30.
Ah, 1:30.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Okay. Okay.
Pasok sa Rio.
Kay pasok daw ni sa rails daw.
Ikaw rin mo na.
Oh, hello guys, wa sila labot. Okay guys, ato na ko. Wala na mo.
Happy Father's Day, Papa Franco. Thank you for all that you taught us about God, and thank you that you're supporting us, and thank you that you help our family. And once again, thank you and Happy Father's Day.
Among driver nga dito ay pilo na tubig. Uli namin kaya naluya na. Naluyas ka init.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. I love you.